The dating game is more than just a fun activity, it's a journey filled with excitement, anticipation, and sometimes, a bit of nervousness. But beyond the initial thrill, dating holds a deeper significance in our lives. It's an essential part of living a fulfilling life. Through dating, we get the opportunity to step out of our comfort zones and experience the world from different perspectives. Each date is a new adventure, a chance to learn and grow. Through dating, we connect with new people, explore different personalities, and ultimately discover what we truly desire in a partner. It's a process of understanding not just others, but also ourselves. We learn about our likes, dislikes, and what truly makes us happy. The journey of dating can lead to love, companionship, and lasting happiness. It's about finding someone who complements us, who shares our values and dreams. But even if we don't find the one right away, each experience brings us closer to understanding what we want. Dating can be intimidating, but remember, it's a process of growth and self-discovery. It's okay to feel nervous or unsure. These feelings are natural and part of the journey. Embrace them, and use each date as an opportunity to learn more about yourself and others. Every date, successful or not, teaches us something valuable about ourselves and what we're looking for in a partner. It's a learning curve, and with each experience we become more attuned to our needs and desires. We learn to communicate better, to listen, and to understand. Embrace the experience with an open heart and a positive attitude. Approach each date with curiosity and an open mind. You never know what you might discover or who you might meet. The key is to stay positive and enjoy the journey. Ultimately, the goal of dating is not just to find a partner, but to enjoy the journey of meeting new people and building meaningful connections. It's about the experiences we gather, the stories we create, and the memories we cherish. So, relax, be yourself, and have fun. The best relationships often start when we're being our true selves. Authenticity attracts the right people into our lives. So let go of any pretenses, and just be you. The right person will appreciate you for who you are. They will see your true self and value you for it. It's about finding someone who loves you for your quirks, your strengths, and even your flaws. Remember, happiness in life often comes from the connections we forge with others. These connections enrich our lives, bring us joy, and provide us with a sense of belonging. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our lives. Dating provides the avenue for these connections to blossom. It's a platform where we can meet like-minded individuals, share experiences, and build relationships that can last a lifetime. So, take a chance, put yourself out there, and open yourself up to the possibilities that await. The world is full of wonderful people and amazing experiences. Embrace the journey, and you might just find your ticket to happiness. First impressions are crucial in the dating world. They are the foundation upon which the rest of your interaction is built. When you meet someone for the first time, you have a brief window to make a lasting impact. This initial encounter can set the stage for everything that follows, influencing how the other person perceives you and whether they want to see you again. They set the tone for the entire interaction. A positive first impression can lead to a deeper connection, while a negative one can close the door before it even opens. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and projecting that confidence to the other person, and can make or break your chances of a second date. The way you present yourself, the energy you bring, and the vibe you create all play a significant role in determining whether there will be a follow-up meeting. It's about creating a memorable experience that leaves the other person wanting more. Fortunately, creating a positive first impression is within your control. Start with your appearance. Dress to impress. Your outfit is a reflection of your personality and can speak volumes before you even say a word. Choose clothes that make you feel both confident and comfortable, as this will naturally boost your self-esteem. Choose an outfit that makes you feel confident and comfortable. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Confidence is attractive, and it can make a significant difference in how you're perceived by your date. Pay attention to grooming details like hair, nails, and accessories. These small details can enhance your overall appearance and show that you take care of yourself. Well-groomed hair, clean nails, and thoughtful accessories can add to your charm and make you stand out. A little effort goes a long way. Body language speaks volumes. The way you carry yourself can communicate confidence, openness, and interest. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and use gestures that show you're engaged and attentive. Maintain eye contact, smile genuinely, and keep an open posture. These nonverbal cues can create a sense of connection and trust. Eye contact shows that you're interested and paying attention, while a genuine smile can make the other person feel at ease. Avoid crossing your arms or looking at your phone, as this can signal disinterest. Project warmth and approachability. Being present in the moment and showing that you're fully engaged can make a big difference in how the other person feels about the interaction. Be friendly, approachable, and genuinely interested in getting to know the other person. Show enthusiasm and curiosity about their life, interests, and experiences. This can help build a connection and make the conversation more enjoyable for both of you. Ask open-ended questions and listen attentively to their responses. This shows that you value their thoughts and opinions and are interested in more than just surface-level conversation. It can also help you learn more about them and find common ground. Show that you value their thoughts and opinions. Nodding, smiling, and giving verbal affirmations can encourage them to share more and feel comfortable opening up to you. Remember, first impressions are all about presenting the best version of yourself. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not, but rather highlighting your best qualities and letting your true self shine through. Be authentic, be confident, and let your personality shine. Authenticity is key to forming genuine connections. When you're true to yourself, you're more likely to attract someone who appreciates you for who you are. Congratulations, you've secured a first date. This is an exciting step, and it's natural to feel a mix of anticipation and nerves. The key to a successful first date is to focus on building a genuine connection with your date. Now, it's time to focus on building a genuine connection. The first date is all about getting to know each other and seeing if there's a spark. It's important to choose an activity that allows for easy conversation and helps you both feel comfortable. Choose a date activity that allows for conversation and reveals shared interests. Think about what you both enjoy and find a common ground. This could be anything from a cozy coffee shop to a scenic walk in the park, or even exploring a museum together. Dinner, coffee, a walk in the park, or a museum visit are all great options. These settings provide a relaxed atmosphere where you can engage in meaningful conversations without too many distractions. Avoid controversial topics like politics or religion on a first date. These subjects can lead to heated debates and create unnecessary tension. Instead, keep the conversation light and fun. Instead, focus on lighthearted conversation starters. Share funny stories, talk about your favorite movies or books, and find common interests that can bring you closer together. Ask about their hobbies, passions, favorite travel destinations, or memorable experiences. Active listening is crucial. Show genuine interest in what they have to say and be curious about their life and experiences. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Really listen to what your date is saying. This means making eye contact, nodding, and responding thoughtfully to their comments. Really listen to what your date is saying, ask follow-up questions, and show genuine interest. This not only shows that you care but also helps to build a deeper connection. People appreciate feeling heard and understood. Most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is the foundation of any meaningful relationship. Authenticity is key to building a lasting connection. Don't try to be someone you're not, as it will only lead to complications down the line. Don't try to be someone you're not, as it will only lead to complications down the line. Embrace your quirks and let your true personality shine through. Embrace your quirks and let your true personality shine through. Remember, the goal is to find someone who appreciates you for who you are. So relax, be yourself, and enjoy the journey of getting to know someone new. Section 4. Building intimacy. Let your guard down. As your connection deepens, it's natural to start building intimacy. This involves sharing more personal aspects of yourselves with each other. Start by gradually revealing your vulnerabilities, fears, and dreams. Sharing personal stories helps your partner understand you on a deeper level. Talk about your childhood, your passions, your aspirations, and even your failures. Vulnerability fosters trust and strengthens the bond between two people. Remember, intimacy is a two-way street. Encourage your partner to open up as well by asking thoughtful questions and actively listening to their responses. Create a safe space for them to share their true selves without judgment. Building intimacy takes time and effort. Don't rush the process. Allow the connection to deepen naturally as you both feel more comfortable and trusting of each other. Section 5. Communication is key. Talk your way to love. Open and honest. Communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. Make it a habit to communicate your thoughts and feelings clearly and respectfully. Avoid bottling things up, as this can lead to resentment and misunderstandings. Active listening is just as important as expressing yourself. When your partner is speaking, give them your full attention. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and really listen to what they're saying. Reflect back what you hear to ensure understanding. Conflict is inevitable in any relationship. When disagreements arise, address them constructively. Avoid blaming or attacking language. Instead, focus on expressing your needs and finding a compromise that works for both of you. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about expressing yourself, but also actively listening to and understanding your partner's perspective.